ready to start taking off the headers.
Damn, them motherfucking pipes heated up quick.
It was complicated. Hold on. God. YouTube, what up though? We back with another video. You see what the title is. We working on a CF Moto today. We about to change the exhaust of my boy Nard. Appreciate him giving me the opportunity to work on this bike so I can start getting more leverage with working on bikes. I'm gonna give y'all a full in-depth everything, give y'all all the insights, all the sizes for the bolts, the technique, whatever I find out, because I ain't never touched this bike. Stay tuned, we ain't finished talk you to death. I'm about to go ahead and get the fairings off real quick. With that said, cut y'all back in with the fairings off. Just like I did on my bike when I did the exhaust, we gonna give y'all all four sounds. So this real quick, this gonna be the stock. That's the stock sound right there. And honestly, that's definitely not a bad stock sound. It already sound good, but let's see how we finna wake this boy up. This screw you see me taking out is underneath the seat, and that hole right there to the left, there's a bolt there as well. Once you get those out, you just pop this panel out. You see there's like 4 little snaps in there. Once you pop that, it all comes off. Alright, so I've been fighting with these fairings for a minute because I couldn't figure out how to get them off. It was complicated. Hold on, let me show y'all. So on the side, you got this piece that go right here. You get this one screw out here, and the rest of it you just pop off. It's all snaps. Get y'all in the light. Yeah, it's just all snaps that you pop out. So once you get this off, then you can get the whole main fairing off. That's what I've been sitting up here fighting with forever. So that's where we at. We about to pop this fairing off, and then we ready to start taking off the headers.
This is a new bike. Nice and naked bike.
Had to make it
nice
naked.
Naked bike.
Okay, we just got this lower bracket.
I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see this on camera, but basically just follow the same process. Just loosen the bolts, 6 of them, 3 cylinders, and then I'm gonna throw something under here to catch the weight. And then I only seen one bolt on the other side, so I'm pretty sure it's another bolt, but we gonna find it in 1 second. So I hope y'all can hear me. It's just fucking helicopter on top of me, but it's one bolt on this side that is connected to the frame and the muffler, so it's a 13 mil too. And yeah, I ain't let y'all know all the header bolts are 13s too. So yeah, it's a big shield at the end of the muffler. You gotta take that off. It's 1, 2. Yeah, I think it's just, and there's one more screw that's up in here that I don't know how the hell I'm gonna get to it, but we gonna figure it out. So let me get this off and I'll cut y'all right back in. Yep, so don't forget the O2 sensor before you take the other bolts out from the headers and make it easier, but we got her out. Hold on, let me move y'all around. Give me 2 seconds. Oh yeah, we got it out. It is heavy. Compared to the whole box of everything in it, it's way lighter. I'm at least saving 5 to 10 pounds easy without even putting it on the scale. So alright, so we gonna do everything in reverse real quick. Actually, let me pull out the old one and set it out and let y'all take a look at the new one. Cut y'all back in 1 second. Alright, gang, we finally got the muffler. I just got it dry fitted at the moment, so this kind of what we looking like. I'm jealous. This is definitely a shorty pipe. but it's only one screw that mount up here in the old, from the old location. Got the mid pipe in. I still got to put the O2 sensor in. Got all of them lined up, all the header pipes. Now it's just time to torque everything down. We're gonna get y'all, I'm gonna take the slip on off. We're gonna get y'all just an open header one. I'm gonna put the O2 sensor in first, and then get y'all the sound with the muffler off, and then with slip on muffler, y'all know the same thing. And then we gonna put the slip on back on and give y'all another sound. So I'm cut y'all back in 2 seconds.
I hope y'all excited, because I'm excited. Ready for a cold start.
Stop.
This just the this not the whole, what is it?
Yeah, this just the headers and the mid pipe. We're gonna put the slip on afterward.
Alright, here we go. Start the pipe. Yo, damn.
All right, we got it all wrapped up. I'll give you all the final sound in a second. But yep, that's how she looked. Got rid of that big metal plate. Shed that weight. The exhaust bracket and the weight of the exhaust itself cut like a good 15 pounds easily. Alright, we about to start it up for y'all. Wrap it up for this video. If you like the content, make sure you like, subscribe. If you got any questions, leave comments down below. And to the next video, we out.